Have you ever had pumpkin butter? Well, I'm going to share with you a delicious pumpkin butter recipe that you have got to try before the fall season ends. It's creamy, it's spicy, and it's pumpkiny, and it is just fabulous. This is how you put it together. I'm going to start by adding my homemade pumpkin puree to a saucepan. Now add some brown sugar, apple cider, and vanilla extract. Next, add pumpkin spice seasoning and then allspice seasoning. Go on and give that a mix and let it cook for about a minute or two. Next, we're going to go in with some maple syrup and then some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix all of the ingredients together, and then we're going to let this simmer on low on the stove for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Let it sit and then come back and stir every 5 minutes or so. What we're doing is allowing all of the water to evaporate out of the puree until we have a nice, smooth, rich, creamy butter just like this. When your pumpkin butter is ready and has thickened, set it aside and let it cool. You're going to want to store this in an airtight container in your refrigerator. You guys, pumpkin butter is so delicious. You can use it on so many things. Try it on toast, warm, buttery biscuits. You can add it to your oatmeal. You can use it in the place of cinnamon sugar when you make your cinnamon rolls. The possibilities are endless. But one thing is for sure, you've absolutely got to try this recipe. You can click the link in my profile or visit sincerelylegenia.com.